Welcome in English language class. Today my topic is long R sounds. It's a long vowel sound, right? I have given these words to transcribe for an example, just like you are going to learn it in nice way, right? And this long R, it is just like in Urdu language, like that. It is like equivalent, like similar to that song, right? Now, first word over here is glass. Transcription of this one is glass. 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 Second word is dark. 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 Ra sound is not coming because after vowel sound it never come. But transcription of this dark is like dark, dark. Right? This is the symbol of this one. Okay, over here, symbol of this long R sound. Symbol is this. Okay, symbol is this. Then cart, cart. Card, again the same formula. Ra is not coming over here. When we transcribe this one is cart, glass, dark, card, last, last, last. Transcription: last, after, after, after. At the end it would be packed like this. After, this is banana sound. After, okay. After, after, right? Ah, ah, ah. Bark, bark. Again, Ra would not come. Bark, bark. Yard, that is the ya sound, this one, okay. Yard. Again, Ra would not come. Yard. Laugh, 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 laugh. When you're gonna do the practice of these words, so definitely you are going to have ample, examples to learn that one, and it's easy for you even. So this transcription also you can find in dictionary also how these words are pronounced, right? And including this one, long ah sounds. Thank you. I would keep teaching to you one after another one the sounds, okay? You are going to find very easy way, very easy how to learn the English language, right? Thank you, take care. Nice to see you, kids.